Nobody told me. I forgot to click go. Anyways, so I forgot. Anyways, YouTube, what's happening? I just linked the type racer. I forgot to start a stream when I started on Twitch, but don't you worry. It's all good. All right, first race, warm-up round. Second race, championship round. Let's go. Oh, Pat's Hello World is up in here, man. Man, 140 miles per hour. Jesus. Oh, impact 125. That's fast. Guess with the 113. Pat's Hello World with 104. Q with the 97. What happened there, Q? Robodom, don't worry. That was just a warm up. You still got a chance. Y'all too fast? Nah. Deco, is that you? You gave up? Alright, zombies in here. But that was just a warm-up, man. Here is the championship round. This is the round where everything counts. If you did it in practice, it doesn't actually count, man. Alright, championship round. We got some money on the line here. I gotta beat Six Pack Sexy, aka No Condom Chris. But I get a 20 WPM handicap. So you add 20 to my score. And if it's at least no Condom Chris's, then I win. Alright, let's do this. I didn't even join. Alright. Man, impacted the 143. That's crazy, man. I saw you out my peripheral just zooming by everybody. Insane. I got a 99. No Condom Chris with 112. That means I win. Because my 20 WPM's handicap, which means my score is like 119. Or, yeah, 119. Q with the 105. Alright, Impact goes up on the board with the 143. Pat's Hello World, 85. Zombie Chow, 99. Just a little bit slower than me. Yeah, Impact needs a drug test for sure. Pat's Hello World, lurking out there. Alright, I'll see you contest time, man. Just Backs 132, what's happening? Alright, Impact, newest Type Racer champ and new Type Racer champ. Welcome to the board. The leaderboard. How fast were you? 143 or something? Wait, August 31st. Impact. The newest Type Racer champ. Congratulations. On the board, it's an honor. Yeah, you've bested a lot of great Type Racer champions to get that championship. Do we have any 200 plus? No, I think the highest we got is Zapak. Wait. Zapak with 168? Yeah, 168 twice Zapak got. I don't think anyone's really gotten faster than that. I mean, we got a 150. I mean, 143 is up there, man. We got another 160 by overfit. Nice. 153 overfit. Anyways, it's a lot of type racing throughout the years. So let me choose that bet. No Conor Chris. Downtown with the handicap. Easy money. Bad cop. What's happening? Are we typed? Yeah, we just typed race. We just had a little championship round. Impact was able to get that with 143 miles per hour on that type racer, man. Insane. Triple Fatty Patty. What's happened? Thank you very much. Welcome to the party. Bad Cop would be a dark horse. Elite Typer? Wait, Bad Cop, can you hit like 150 plus? Because that's insane, man. I don't even know how people's fingers move that fast. Alright, what are we doing? I have an injury. Oh man. Yeah, maybe it's best you sit this one out. What are y'all saying? Should we do LeetRooms or should we talk about the bi-weekly contest this morning? Steven Sagball, what's happening? Deadlock. That's what you've been playing? What is Deadlock? I haven't even heard of it. That's what you're doing out there, man? Do you see? Yeah, I saw you got addicted to Wingstop. That's what you said last time. Last time you came in here, you said that, and then you just disappeared, man. Deadlock is very fun. You need a bigger reaction. What kind of reaction do you want, man? I didn't do anything. I just like Wingstop myself. Wingstop is they make some good wings. I don't blame you for being addicted, man. I was addicted for a long time. I thought everyone was playing Black Myth Wukong. Yeah, I don't know about that game. I've been playing nothing really. I tried that Return to the Mines of Moria or whatever, that Lord of the Rings game. It's alright. I don't know. I think I'm just tired of all games these days, man. Alright, should we switch back? What are we doing? Alright, who wants to do some LeetRooms, man? Or who wants to just watch me do some virtual contest or something? Might go to Europe? Man, I don't believe you, Steven Sagball. You said he was coming to New York and you never came. I think he said he was going to the Bay and he never went. Or Japan, maybe not the Bay. Maybe he said you're going to Japan. But now you want to go to Europe, man. Wait. Simon, is it? What are you talking about, man? Stumbled on a Minecraft shader? Anyone? I don't even know what BC7 is. I don't know what you're talking about, but good luck. I only know how to do LeetCode, man. I don't know how to do anything else. Gotta catch up on all the virtuals. New chats are wall of text. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm not the wrong person to ask about game dev stuff. Or like, not just game dev, but actual programming things. I don't know anything about that, man. I can only solve algorithms, barely. Alright, let's talk about the bi-weekly contest this morning. So I took it this morning. I was able to get Q1. Q1 took me a long time, man. I'm like a little bit embarrassed how long Q1 took. I had a bug. It took me like 6 minutes. I had a bug. my like I stared at my code for a long time before I found out what my bug was. I'll show you. I'll show you like how I did it. Easy elo. I only got like a little +8. You like algorithms? Name 20. Man, I can name at least 20 algorithms, Zombie Chow. I can name all of them. So my bug was this morning I had coded everything up. And then I had S1, S2, S3, num1, num1, num1. And that took me like 3 minutes to figure out my bug, man. I lost time on that for sure. But Q1, not too terrible. Q2 was just, you just followed the directions, and I think in C++ it was easy. I guess in any language it should have been easy, but especially C++ since we can do like character arithmetic, you know. Q3, I don't know how the hell people solve Q3. Maybe I should try and upsolve it now. Hey, what does this mean in the... I've never seen this before. AK? What does that mean? 799? Oh, all kill? All solved? So 800 people got all of them? Is that what it means? 4 out of 4? Alright, should we upsolve this one? Or should we take it easy until the contest, the weekly contest? It starts in a little bit. Sounds better when you kill problems. Wait, what? Wait, alright, 20. Bad cop is naming 20 algorithms. Bubble, merge, insertion, selection, bucket, quick, BOGO, sleep, quantum, BOGO. These are all sourcing algorithms, man. Shell, heap, slow, radix, smooth, bitonic, bitonic. Don't know what none of those are, man. I only know like LeetCode ones. Man, alright. I'm gonna just do a LeetRooms, man. I don't feel like doing another... I don't feel like upsolving a hard problem right now. So I saw, you know, I watched the LeetRooms repository. I saw that Flumsy made some updates and LeetRooms should be working again. So I'm gonna create a room, man. We'll do like easies and mediums and hard, I suppose. 60 minutes and rejection sampling. What the hell does that mean, man? I'm gonna select everything here. LeetRooms is back? I think so. Alright. Y'all ready? There is the link for LeetRooms. Oh, Chi Impact is in the house. Alright. I guess I'll start from the easiest and work my way up to the hard. Day of the week. Well, let me read all the problems in the room first. We got day of the week. We got length of longest subarray with at most k frequency. And we got queries on a permutation with key, and then we got candy. MrBannerSearch.com days. Yeah, man. Oh, man, they should really bring that website back. All right. Given a date, return the corresponding day of the week for that date. The input is given as 3 integers representing the day, month, and year respectively. Return the answer as one of the following values: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, what kind of question is this, man? How am I supposed to know? How am I supposed to know what the hell day it is? How do I join a room? So you gotta download this extension called LeetRooms, and it only works on Chrome. And then once you get LeetRooms, you have to register. I just register with Twitch, and then it uses your Twitch username. And then you just enter the room code. I have it pinned in the chat. Use the date library of your language. I don't know how to use the date library, man. Wait. Yo, this question is crazy. I'm not even gonna do Q1, man. I'm gonna just move on to Q2. I already solved it, but I'll just erase it. I'm gonna hide this so I have more real estate. Alright, length of longest subarray with at most k frequency. You're given an integer array nums and an integer k. The frequency of an element x is the number of times it occurs in an array. An array is called good if the frequency of each element in this array is less than or equal to k. Return the length of the longest good subarray of nums. A subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within the array. Oh, I can do this. I can do this for sure. This is I think it's a sliding window. And we need to keep like a frequency map of like the count of numbers in the subarray that we're at. So let's take the right pointer, increment it. Am I using a different keyboard? I've been using the same keyboard for like a year. It's the Bubble 75. My old keyboard before the Bubble 75, I think it was the Satisfaction, maybe. And that one's at work. Maybe one day I'll swap my work keyboard and bring it home. Too lazy though. I'm not gonna remember to do all that. Alright, so longest where K. Alright. So I'm gonna be like increment the frequency map for that. Oh, for that number. Nums are. Maybe one day you'll do another keyboard building stream. Yeah, it's actually coming up real soon, Robodom. I just need to like fully settle into my new apartment. So I'm still receiving furniture and building things and making room and organizing. But once I get everything organized, I'm gonna build. I have like 10 keyboards that I need to build, man. So I'm gonna just start building them. Maybe I'll do a keyboard building marathon where I just build all of them in one go. Or maybe I'll do like one every week or every month or something. We'll see. Alright, what are we doing again? We're trying to say... So while is, so it needs to be at least k, less than or equal to k. So while the count of our current character is greater than k, then we should move our left pointer up. So yeah. And then here we can just say, I think that is the length, or it might just be r minus l. Let me think. So if r here, no, that should be all right. R minus l, because right here my r is 1, my l is 0, the length is 1. Anyways, Q2. LeetRooms is working, man. Look at that. Let me check the scoreboard. Well, there's only 4 of us in here, but at least it's working, you know. All right, Q3. Is it a good one? Is it a bad one? Let's read it. Queries on a permutation with key. Given the array queries of positive integers between 1 and m, you have to process all queries according to the following rules. In the beginning, you have the permutation 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. For the current I, find the position of queries I in the permutation P, indexing from 0. And then move this at the beginning of the permutation P. Notice that the position of queries I in P is the results for queries I. Return an array containing the results for the given queries. I don't know. I don't know what the question is asking. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so let's say we start with an array 1 to m. Let me hide this real quick and try and science this out. So we got 1 to m, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then they're saying the queries are this. And then what? Answer is 2, 1, 2, 1. So we go through the queries. Find the position of queries I. So it's right there. Then move this at the beginning of the permutation. What are they talking about, man? The position of queries I in P is the result. Oh, I see. I see. So this one, let me put some indices over here. I hate question 1. Yeah, I don't think I ain't doing question 1, man. I'm just skipping it. All right, so 3 is at index 2. Have an off by, oh man. Oh, you're trying to solve it. Oh, good luck. So, man, I'm hungry. What do I do when I'm hungry, man? Do I eat? Did I not eat enough today? I can't go into the contest hungry, you know? Should I be streaming the contest? I said I would. Alright, so we swap these. That's what you do when you're hungry? Yeah, but when I'm like hungry and I'm streaming, it's like, do I take a break to go eat? Or do I just drink like a protein shake? Alright, I think I can solve this, man. I'm not too sure, but I'll give it a shot. So what I'm gonna try and do is, I guess, have like some type of map that maps all the numbers to where they're at. But wait, let me look at the constraints. So m is, what's 10 to the 3? Is that 10? Is that 1,000? Yeah, that's 1,000. So there's 1,000 m's. So we're gonna map like everything to what they should be, and so on and so forth. Let me just finish this up to a 5, right? That's the position. So then we go through the queries. Maybe we also need to remember like first position, and we can say it's 1 in this case. Well, no, hold up. Look, it's only 1,000 queries. I think I can do an m squared here, man. I'm gonna just do m, or yeah, n squared solution, because I don't even need to make it too optimal. I'm gonna just do that. So what am I doing? I'm doing some LeetCode right now. We have a little room going on. There's a few people in here doing stuff. It's a great time. Wait. Did it? Oh, nice. Very nice, man. Easy work for you. This is like difficult for me. All right, so what are we doing? We're pushing back the position that it was found in. And then we gotta swap nums j with nums 0. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, I might have to go try and get some food before the contest. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. And then it becomes 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, yeah. And it becomes 1, 3. Oh, look at that. That is incorrect. No, I think I'll just drink a protein shake. I don't think it was too crazy. Let me think. How is this messing up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Order sushi? No, man, I'm broke. query 1. Oh, I see. I see what they're saying. We're not swapping it. Oh, this is not great. I don't feel like to do this problem, I'm not gonna lie, man. I think I gotta go back to do whatever I was doing and like remove and insert these numbers. I see where I'm going wrong, because we're not swapping the positions, we're removing the number and we're just putting it in the front. Yeah. But I wonder if I reversed the numbers. Anyways, all right. Let me just erase everything, man. Let me give it a real shot. Maybe. Feeling lazy. That's what's really happening right now. Okay, so I'll make my map. And then I'll say I equal I minus 1. That was good. Don't you just need to shuffle it down? I don't think it was too good, because it was like almost brute force, you know? So now I'm trying to create something that's not brute force and just do it how I'd normally do it. Yeah, I think just like shuffling it down is gonna cause me to TLE, because every time we insert something at the beginning, that's like an ON time complexity, and then every time we delete something too, that's also like ON time complexity. So I just don't feel great about submitting something that was so inefficient. So now I'm gonna try to like keep track of my indices as I'm going through, and then I think it might be easy enough if I keep track of my indices, but we'll see. You don't need to insert delete, just need to bubble the number. Oh, right. Yeah, maybe just bubbling it would work. Should I try that just because I'm lazy? All right, I'm gonna do what you say, Zombie Chow. Lazy is not good. It's not a good trait to have. This is gonna be a trap? Yeah, maybe. Wait, so how do we shuffle it down? Do I just swap everything? Nums z nums. Let's see if that works, man. It might time out, but it might work. Oh, look at that. Zombie Chow knows what's up, man. Thanks. Yeah, I don't feel like to do whatever I was thinking about now. I feel like that shouldn't pass, but I guess it does have like a high acceptance rate at 84%. Because I feel like this is 1, And this is another n squared. And then swapping it down, is that like another n squared, you know? Or not n squared, but like n cubed? Either way, it is what it is. Alright, should we try the last one? Candy. 135. 942. What? Let me see how much time we got until the contest, because that is the most important thing. 47 minutes. Q1 is so annoying. Yeah, Q. I don't think anyone did Q1 except for Bad Cop. Bad Cop crushed Q1, and everyone else is scared. Alright, let's check out this problem. Q4. There are n children standing in a line. Each child is assigned a rating value given in the integer array ratings. You are giving candies to these children subjected to the following requirements. Each child must have at least one candy. Children with a higher rating get more candies than their neighbors. Return the minimum number of candies you need to have to distribute the candies to the children. It's a binary search problem? I don't know. Let me think. Alright, so the ratings and what are we doing? So the answer is 5. But why? You can allocate to the first, second, and third child with 2, 1, 2 candies respectively. How'd they come up with that, you know? Children with a high rating get more candies than their neighbors. Man, have I ever solved this problem? I'm not sure if I have, but it sounds like, I know there's one about programmer salaries and how much they'll work for. It sounds just like this problem. All right, where do we begin? Where do we begin? So we know the person with 0 candy or 0 rating for sure. They're gonna get like 1 candy, right? And then their neighbors get like that plus 1, so it'd be 2. But how do I do that, you know? All right, let me look at this. 1, 2, 2. So the person with the lowest rating gets 1 candy. Then this person must get 2 candies. And then this person must get the same as their neighbor, which is 2. This problem seems cool. Yeah. All right. I think I got some ideas. This is a good problem. All right. I'm thinking binary search. And I'm thinking hash map. Maybe I store the ratings and their original index, and then I sort the ratings, and then I binary search on the answer, and I just go through and put the candies in to see if it's possible with that much candy. No. I don't know. Wait, let me think. I don't know what I'm talking about, man. But I'll try something. I'll try something. Ramble 007, what's happening? Seems like a cool problem unless you try to solve it. Nah, come on. Maybe it's not binary search. Maybe it's just... Or should I do that? Or should I use a map? Or should I just use a pair? And then I can iterate. And then maybe I'll make like a new vector of pairs. What a descriptive name, pairs. And then I'll put the rating, the original rating, along with the original index. Then I'll sort those pairs. And then what should I call this? Candies? Robodom, thank you very much for that. Hydrates. Cheers. Nice water bottle, thank you. I've had this dang thing for like 5 years now. It's just a normal water bottle. So every kid needs at least one candy. So that means the kid with the lowest rating gets one. So, alright, let me think. So if this kid, so I'll do like rating and index is equal to pairs I. What question is this? It's a candy problem, man. And we're all solving them in this room. So if you have this extension called LeetRooms, which you can download here, it's only for Chrome though. Then you can just sign up. People sign up with their Twitch username, and then you can just copy the room code in, and then now you'll appear on the scoreboard, and we can see what's happening. Man, I feel like a light just turned off. Or something. Am I going crazy? I think I'm going crazy, man. Anyways, what am I trying to do here? So I'm trying to be like, alright, these are my ratings. So 0, 1, 2. So our pairs would be like 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2. And then it's sorted on the first number here. So it'll be like index, racing of 0. Maybe I'll start everybody with 0 candies. And then if I don't know how to do this. I mean, I have an idea, but my brain ain't really thinking that straight. Hold on, be right back. I think I gotta drink a protein thing before this contest. have to eat something real quick. So, you get a new chair? Yeah, man, I got a new chair. Got a fancy chair. I mean, I got my old one still. I use them both, but I got like my dedicated streaming room. Herman Miller, no, it's Hayworth. I decided to, you know, try a different chair. My Herman Miller is still good. I don't know which one I prefer. I think I prefer my Herman Miller, man. I'm not gonna lie. Finally, Q. Finally. Oh, he did Q1. I see what you're saying. Yeah, I'm not trying Q1, man. Alright, so alright, let me see. Honky was talking about my chair? Nah. Alright. So if this is greater than that, then this should be no. Then candies index. Needs to be candies index +1. Does that sound right? Yeah, I think so. And then if this is greater than index -1, then it needs to be +1, I should say. Otherwise, if they're equal, then, oops, it should just be the same amount of candies, right? Yeah, I think so. So these are for the ends. So like if the index is 0, that means we only have somebody on the right. And if the index is the last index, that means we only got to check the left. Otherwise, we should check both left and right. But I don't know how to do that. So maybe I'll just copy these both here. But this logic probably isn't good either. Maybe it should be like the max of candies. Mr. Fabri Dev. Thank you very much for the follow. this is gonna be good, man. But I guess we can find out. Dang, that's a lot of typos there. Alright, maybe after this problem, I'm gonna just chill for a bit until the contest, which is in like 30 minutes, man. What the hell? Candix. Nah. Oh, wait. I only did a few things, so... I don't know how to... I don't know what I'm doing, man. Zombie killer whale, how you doing? Alright, so I got one of them, but not this one. How's work been? Work's been pretty good, I'd say. I feel very comfortable at work, able to get things done relatively quick. I know what's going on. You know, I get along with all my teammates and all that stuff. 1, 2, 1, but I got 1, 2, 2. Oh, so if they're equal, maybe I don't care about anything. Man, that light just turned off on me. Anyways, the apprentice has become the master? Nah, man. I don't know about all that. Senior engineer? Nah, I'm mid-level. Alright. Did not get this problem, so... Alright, so everyone needs at least 1 candy. This person should have gotten 2 candies, man. But it didn't work. So this one is greater than index plus 1. So then it should be that. Yes. Oh, I see. Maybe. This is a bunch of if-else's. I don't like it. Hi, PixF. What's happening? Insane face cam quality. Thank you. It's a fancy camera. Alright, I don't know what to do, man. Oh. So what a silly test case. I didn't think about that. It's too easy, man. This problem wasn't even that hard. my runtime and my memory sucks though. Problem wasn't too terrible. I don't like my code though. My code is actually whack right now. I think it could be a lot simpler. Just need to solve Q1. Nah, I give up on Q1. Let me see what Chi-Chi Impact did for Q4. Jeez. Okay. I don't know what I'm reading. All right. Q1 Python just returned date time library. Yeah, I don't know how to use any date time stuff in C++. Q did Q4 also. Very nice. Very nice. Let me see our Q1 though. Let me see what you did. Oh shit. What? I guess you looked up what the first day was or something. That looks a lot like mine. Wait, did you look up like 1971 or whatever? The question was what day January 1st was. And he started from that. Brute force it from the answers. Wait, what? Wait, 1971 was in the description. Yeah, but how do you know it was a Wednesday though? I guess. Well, you just guessed and checked. I see what you're saying. I guess you could just look it up in a calendar too. Alright, we got 20 minutes until the contest, man. 20 minutes left. Yeah, you can use one of the samples. Yeah, I'm clearly not that smart, man. Or observant. Oh, shit. Contest. 19 minutes now. Alright, it's time to chill for a little bit, man. Just relax. Wait. Should I put it in the contest mode? Y'all like that? Is that too much? Coin flip? Oh man. I don't know about coin flips. Oh wait, I'll put the bet up. That's what we can do. I'll put start my prediction. So let's bet on what my ELO is gonna be. Gotta skip this one? Dang. It's all good, Q. Can't take them all. Alright, Midnight Simon's racing goes up or down. That's what we're gonna bet on. And I did take the bi-weekly. So let me show y'all. Before I put the bet up. Right now my rating is gonna be rated from like 2047, 2048. So we're just gonna vote on whether or not my delta is going to be positive or negative. And I guess we got 20 minutes to, well, 15 minutes to vote. Place your bets. Diaco Curdo, welcome to the party, man. If channel is C++, follow. Thank you very much. Yeah, I do C++ basically, but I only do LeetCode, man. Thank you very much for that follow. I almost only do C++. Alright. I'll just chill for a little bit. I don't know. Where should I put this thing? Should I start my timer? Oh, shit. Let me see if I remember how to do all this streaming stuff. So it starts in how long? 16 minutes. Dang. 960. Alright, that seems about right. Made me want to buy a new camera. Man, cameras are always good. Digging this new setup. Thank you very much. I put a lot of money into these dang things. Cameras and microphones and new lights. All types of garbage, man. I don't even know what's wrong with me. I got so many cameras these days. Curved monitor? No comment, Chris. Why are you acting so surprised? Like, half of us don't have curved monitors, you know? Everyone's out here is booling. Everyone works at Fang or something. Well, not everybody, but lots of y'all got money. Pixel Pusher, what's happening? New setup, that's right. It's a brand new setup. Wait, let me put a type eraser so we can see. So you can see the thing, you know. Or no, let me just go regular. All right, will my rating go up or down? Place your bets. Right now we got roll down $5,000. Says my rating is gonna go down. Pretty safe bet. We got Clistar $5,000, Pixel Pusher 4,400, Bonfire 4,200. Rating goes up. Ezra Flag saying it's gonna go down. Gatsukama also says down. Let me give you a reason why you should vote, man. Channel points in this channel. You can redeem real things with your channel points. You can redeem a keyboard that I will build for you on stream. You can redeem a picture, like one of these pictures. I'll just send one to you if you're interested. If that's like 50 or how much is it? 500k channel points for one of those pictures, and 1,000,000 channel points for the keyboard. How long ago did I move? I moved in like a month ago, almost a month ago. 90 yet? Nah. Man, Q, I still have a 3700X and I have a 6800 XT graphics card, and that's my streaming thing. But I'm gonna build a new computer, man, for my personal one. I might put in, I don't think I'll get a 4090. I don't need all that. I don't play games like that, you know. I think that's overkill for what I do. And I don't really run 4K on my monitors. I'm like a 2K kind of guy. 1440, you know. I guess maybe if I got a larger monitor, I'd get 4K. But I feel 4K is too small. Anytime I'm at 4K, I just zoom in anyways. You know, like I make everything bigger because it's so tiny, man. So I think 1440p is the sweet spot for me. So it looks good, it's readable, and it's enough real estate, I think. Q Ultima is $10,000 that my rating is gonna go downtown. Pale Horse 999, how are you doing? Welcome to the party. 32-inch 1440p. That's what I got right here. Well, shit, my bad. I can't even. Where's my hands? Yeah, this monitor is a 32-inch 1440. You know what? I'm saying I don't have 4K, but one of my monitors is 4K. I'm not gonna lie, but it's like a 4K 60 hertz. I don't have any high refresh rate 4Ks. What's my current rating again? Right now it's at 2047. Good luck. Thank you. Not participating. Dang. Big punishment if hard question meta continues. Yeah, Q1, Q2, I really try to not have any bugs. But it's tough, man. Oh, Husky Tusky from YouTube. Just missed their message. So, in your opinion, how important is LinkedIn for a software engineering career? I think you can have a very successful career without having LinkedIn, man. I don't think anyone really cares about LinkedIn, to be honest. Especially, I mean, it doesn't hurt to have a LinkedIn, but I don't think you need one, you know. If you utilize LinkedIn properly, it could for sure land you a job. Like, there's tons of jobs on LinkedIn to apply for. I don't know what you mean, Husky Tusky, whether you mean just to have like an account on LinkedIn to apply for jobs, or do you mean like actively participate in the LinkedIn social media thing where you're like liking people's comments and endorsing people's skills and all that junk, sharing articles? I don't think you have to do any of that, man. You know, well, at least I don't do any of that. It's not necessary, but it does help. LinkedIn has become Facebook. There are other ways of showcasing your professional background than using LinkedIn. Yeah, I will say though, I think it is important to put yourself out there, whether it's on LinkedIn or on Twitch or on YouTube or in Discord or on Reddit or wherever. I think you got to put yourself out there to get like the biggest returns on your social media gains for your career. And I think it's important to participate in that, to like network with other software engineers and network with other people in the industry and just kind of have a reputation for your brand name out there. Even if it's not a huge brand, it might just be small, at least you have some reputation, and people who are interested in working with you and hiring you, maybe one day they can like see a lot more about who you are based on the content that you put out, you know, or based on, yeah, you can like manage your own online presence if you're deliberate than just leaving everything up to chance. So that's what I gotta say. I think it's important to actually just maintain your online reputation, but it doesn't have to be LinkedIn. Every day I wake up at 5 a.m., take an ice bath, and meditate for 2 hours before work. It keeps me focused on the grind. Yeah, should I become a LinkedIn influencer, man? And start posting stuff like that? Nah, it's not happening. Alright, place your bets. The contest is starting in 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Dang, 10,000 bucks. It's crazy. Octa Elliptical, how you doing? Welcome to the party. We're about to take the LeetCode Contest. I'm going to take it live, man, so you can see all the pain in my face as I'm trying to solve problems. I remember when 10k points was a lot. Yeah, everybody is rich these days now. Bobby Blue, how you doing? Juju joining the fun. Where you? How you doing? Dang, everybody's 69 points. Come on now. Place those bets. Oh, I see Black Deep. Welcome to the party, man. Gotta keep banking those points. You gotta gamble sometimes. How do you deal with the clock timer in competitions? It gives me severe anxiety. I think the clock motivates me to work hard, you know, to focus really good, to work hard, to like grind, to like block out all distractions. That's what the clock does for me. So it doesn't give me anxiety, but it puts some pressure under me. And I think I operate good under pressure. Clock is the motivator, yeah. I guess you just have to be used to being under pressure, man. I pretend it's there. I'm always watching the clock. I'm making sure I'm on time and stuff. Like, I gotta make sure I hit Q1 within 3 minutes. If I go over 3 minutes for Q1, I start to feel like I'm already behind. And then Q2, if I'm still on Q2 by 15 minutes, I start to feel like I'm behind, man. All right, place those bets, place those bets. Rating goes up or rating goes down. That's all we're gonna bet on. The contest starts in 5 minutes, 40 seconds. All right, place those bets. How do you deal with pressure though? I don't know. I guess you just have to be under pressure more often to deal with pressure better. Maybe if you've never been under pressure, it's very uncomfortable, but like I remember the first time I started to stream and I had like 3 people in the chat watching me. I felt so much pressure, man. I was like nervous, I was sweating, armpits got stinky, all that stuff, man. And that was because I wasn't used to the pressure back then. But these days, I'm a little bit more acclimated to all the pressure from streaming live and coding live and contests, that it doesn't affect me as much as it used to. So I'd say just try and put yourself out there, man. Some advice for undergrad student preparing for an interview, but timeline is tight. I'd say, man, you should start streaming. I think it's a great way to like practice articulating your thought processes, practice like talking while you're typing, because in interviews you're gonna have to be explaining to the person like what you're doing. Practice answering hard questions from people, because people might be like, why are you doing it this way, or why don't you do it that way instead? And it's kind of like simulating an interview in a way. That's how I started to stream, and then I just continued because it became fun. My goals were never to become like a content creator or a streamer or whatever you want to call it. I just wanted to practice for interviews, man. But after I got my job, I decided to continue content creating and streaming because it just became fun. I thought it held me accountable. I thought it was a great way to network with other engineers, Fang engineers or whoever grinding LeetCode. And then now I'm like really enjoying the whole streaming thing, man. It's so much fun, and LeetCode is boring if I LeetCode alone. All right. Obes. Zombie kill. Everyone is voting on down. Come on, man. Nobody believes in me except these 4 people. All right, we don't have much time left, so let me get this ready. So during the contest, I'm not gonna be really reading chat, you know. Wait, how much is 90 minutes? Contest starts in... Alright. The contest starts in when it's at 90. 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes to go, man. Alright. Good luck. Have fun, everybody. I need like a pre-contest ritual. I don't have one. Man, I had a light overhead, it turned off. No, it's bothering me. Hold on. Anyways. Alright, good luck everybody. Chi Impact is gonna do the post-contest review, so make sure you follow him. Alright, here we go. Here we go. No joking around, man. It's time to get it going. Pat's Hello World. Good luck to you. 45 seconds, man. Whew. Alright. It's about to get really real. I'm nervous. I need those elos, man. Why am I whispering? We gotta focus, man. No, I'm not sharing my screen. And I'm not talking about the questions either until the contest is over. Good luck, have fun. See you on the other side. I didn't register. Fuck. already messing up on Q1. All right, Q1 took way too long. Q2 done. Oh shit. No time for the two hards. Man, why they gotta do us like that? Wrong answer, Q3. I'm stuck on Q3. I have a correct solution, but it's not fast enough. Man, I have like 5 wrong submissions for Q3. I don't know if it's worth it anymore. Maybe I should give up, man. Oh, Pat, what's happening? Yeah, I'm about to give up, man. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I've been thinking about Q3, I don't know, for like a long time. I'm in Q2. I got Q1, Q2. Struggling on Q3. I think I'm moving on from Q3. I'm like reading Q4, but I don't even know. Is Q4 easier? I don't know if it's easier, man. Don't give up? Nah. Sometimes you gotta know when to call it quits. Sometimes you gotta know when you are outmatched. I feel like I'm outmatched. I have 1 hour left. Yeah. Play Clash of Code? Nah, man. I don't play games like that. Gash Grow from YouTube. I've done Q1 and Q2 so far. I think I'm skipping Q3. I've submitted like 5 times, all not good enough. I'm thinking about Q4, but I don't know if I have the energy to try Q4, man. Pepe Froggy, how you doing? Yeah, Q3, who knows? But let's like not talk about the problem too much. Besides super general things like it's too hard, or you know, let's not give specifics. Yeah, no bad. I think you're good, but it's just like a just in case, you know. I coded up something for Q3 real quick. It doesn't work. There's a 1% chance I can solve Q3. Man, that sounds like pretty good odds right now. Oh, I've spent a lot of brain power on Q3 already. Need some caffeine? Nah, I don't do that stuff. No condom Chris, how are you doing, man? Are you taking, like, are you done the contest? You got an AK? Boolean Cube, what's happening, man? I'm taking the weekly contest right now. Just look at the hard questions. Wait, you telling me you didn't even solve? You're not even taking the contest, man? Just looked at the hard questions. Come on. He doesn't take LeetCode Contest, only does Division 1s? Man, I've been thinking about that. Well, I can't even do LeetCode fully. So maybe I should just stick with LeetCode. But I've been thinking about like doing some code forces. No condom Chris is really tourist. Yeah, right. Hey, wouldn't that be wild if Taurus was in here disguised as somebody else? Taurus can destroy LeetCode? Yeah. Taurus is too powerful. Wait, alright, let me lock in for at least a few minutes, man. I'm not looking at chat, don't worry. I'm just thinking about the problem. Jesus. What's that noise, man? Who did that? Deca, thank you very much for that Prime sub. I'll add your name to the board after the contest. All right, here we go. Q3, man. I got another idea. I'm about to implement it. Not sure if it will work, but I guess it's worth a shot, you know? 2 more wrong submissions for Q3, man. I'm about to give up. I don't think I'm gonna get it, man. Maybe this is one I need to upsolve. No Connor Chris telling me no. And I wasn't speedy enough on Q1, Q2. The thinking is gains. Oh yeah, you're right, man. It's not about the placement. It's about exercising the brain. But man, it's my first week back. It's my first week back in the contest, my first contest in months. It's Labor Day weekend. All right. Let me think. What can I do? What can I do, man? Daz Code, what's happening? Haven't streamed in a year? No, I've been streaming recently a lot. I might have not been here for like the last 2 months. I'm at AWS. Oh man, that's such a amazing opportunity for you. They say AWS mints like real solid engineers, so just do your time there. Everyone's gonna want you. I'm feeling gave up already. Cute. I gave up and then I came back and I tried like a new way to do Q3, but no dice. I feel like I just rewrote the whole thing in a different way. Let's try Q4, man. I don't know about Q4 either. I was thinking about it, but I don't think I got that one in the bag at all. Yeah, I feel I have a chance at Q3, man. So if this wasn't a contest and I was doing it regular on stream, I feel, yeah, I've been struggling, not getting it, but really close. And then like no Condom Chris or Brett or somebody like that would come in and be like, line 13. Do this instead, and then I just one character change the thing and it works. That's what I feel I'm at for Q3, you know, or maybe not. Maybe I'm like completely off. "32 minutes is enough time, man." Let me drink some water. Just erase everything I got. Start over. The harder the contest, the greater the elo gains. Yeah, but I've already did my part for Q1 and Q2. I don't think I got Q2 fast, man. Or I think Q1 is the thing that slowed me down. Usually I get Q1 in less than 2 minutes. This time Q1 took me almost 6 minutes, man. I got like stumped, which feels bad, you know? But it is what it is, man. Sometimes that's the way the dice roll. So right now my time is at 9 minutes 20 seconds for Q1 and Q2. Which, I mean, I might get elo, but it doesn't feel good. Alright, lock in one more time for Q3. Gotta think outside the box. Creative solutions. That's what it's all about. analyze some things. Alright, I got some new ideas. Man. I think I might be onto something. shit, I just got Q3, man. Oh, lordy. I can't believe that shit worked. Oh, am I dreaming? I must be dreaming, man. Oh, lordy, my greatest accomplishments in my whole life is solving that question. I tried all types of funky stuff, man. 1% chance was enough, yeah. Whew. I just spent all the brain juice, man. Let me see. 669 people solved Q3, and I'm not one of them. Locking for Q4? Nah, man. I'm calling it right here. I think this is the end. Man, look at that. I got 7 wrong attempts on. Man, can I show my screen? I gotta show it, man. Wait, can y'all see that? Look at that Q3, man. 35, yeah. Gonna do a walkthrough? I can try, but it's getting pretty late. Whew. Jesus Christ. I cannot believe I actually solved that. Well, big thank you to No Condom Chris, always pushing me. He's the greatest LeetCode coach of all time, I feel, at least for me. Also, Code in Public, what's happening? Bobby Blue, also, thank you for telling me to lock in also, you know. What is the acceptance rate for Q3? Man, I don't know. It was like not great, you know. How do you get a LeetCode coach? I just started streaming on Twitch, and then all the coaches came naturally. Like all the people who are good at LeetCode, they all want to share their knowledge, I think. Well, not all. Most of them want to share their knowledge. So I feel they're all like looking for people to coach. And if you're out there and people see that you're trying really hard and you're always showing up, you're consistent, you really want to get the bag, I think people will just coach you for free. Maybe I should start streaming Bobby Blue. Man, don't you stream? I swear. Nah. Maybe you should stream if you don't stream already. Do you know where do you find them outside of streaming? Nah, I mean, I know there's a few people who actually coach. One of them is Eric Toe. I actually paid for him to be my LeetCode coach a few years ago, and he did a great job. I think he has very in-depth knowledge. Eric Toe is a legendary grandmaster. You can find him somewhere. This is the guy. I don't know if he still coaches. I'm sure he does. But that's his YouTube. He probably has a website somewhere. I don't know what his website is though. Anyways, I do stream LeetCode, but odd times I don't get more than 5 people. Really wish to find someone to learn some tricks and patterns. How often do you stream? I think if you become consistent, people begin to find you. Rexo Sabe, what's happening? Curious how to solve number 3? Yeah, I tried so many things, man. And I was finally able to do it. And I can't believe I did it. Rexo, what's happening? I almost gave up. Whew. Anyways. Should we just... Oh, look at that. My rank is still pretty bad because I guess people are solving... Not bad, but it's still dropping. Rolo Fiend, man, 3 out of 4. Nice, nice. Man, look how many penalties I got. Crazy. 7 incorrect attempts. Are you using a script for your rank page? No. What do you mean a script? We go through each question solution? I don't know. I'll probably do like Q1, Q2, Q3, but I don't know how to do Q4. But if I do it, I'm gonna go over it real quick because like it's way past my bedtime, you know. And Chi will probably go in depth over these problems, man. He's way better than I am at LeetCode. He's one of the top LeetCoders in the world. I'm like not even in the top anything. Are you stopping now when contest is over? I think when the contest is over, I'll quickly go over like what I did for Q1, Q2, Q3. He said Q3 is a clever one, so you should be proud, man. I didn't even attempt Q4. I thought Q4 was beyond my abilities. Well, Q3, I put a lot of brain power into that thing. Many calories I burned thinking about Q3. I tried like 3 or 4 different things. This is how you lock in for a Guardian. Thank you so much, No Connor Chris. I would have given up a long time ago if it wasn't for you and I guess everyone else in chat, but mainly you, man. You know, I think I listen to you way more than anyone else just because every time I listen to you, good things happen. My whole streaming career, my strategy is just do whatever No Condom Chris tells me to do. All right. Oh, and yeah, it's about to end. Wait, is it already over? It might be over already. All right, let me show you what I did, man. ELO secured. Should we do it real quick? Q1, Q2, Q3. Insane. What an insane contest day. So, Jesus. Alright, I'm about to show you like my real life code. I didn't like try and fix it up, make it look presentable. This is really how I did things. So, for Q1, I damn generated the board. I made the board for Q1 because I didn't know how else to do it, and I gave it some thoughts for a couple minutes. I didn't know what to do, man. I had a bug, so I had to do some debugging. Generated the board, and then I translated my coordinates, and then I just returned if the 2 coordinates are equal. X plus Y mod 2 should be the same. Wait, I gotta look at some people's solutions because I was really struggling. This took me almost 6 minutes to solve. It's embarrassing, man. I thought. Look at that, 6 minutes. So I was thinking of a clever way. And then I was like, man, I need to stop trying to be clever, and I'll just generate the board, man. Easy. I couldn't do that for sure. All right, so what's next? Wait, if amount of steps away is even, they're the same? Oh, geez. Interesting. All right, so Q2, I think Q2 is standard. It's like if you know top K elements, it's basically the same pattern. So we iterate over the queries. We get the distance from the origin. We put it in the priority queue. If the priority queue size is greater than K, we pop it. And then if after that, if the priority queue size is less than K, then that means there isn't a kth from the origin yet. We haven't done K queries. And then if it is equal to the size of K, then we just push the top. This is a very common pattern. I'm sure most of you have seen this pattern. It's just top K elements. Steam code stuff, what's happening? And then the one everybody's here for, Q3. The one that I had 7 wrong attempts, man. 7 wrong attempts on Q3. I was about to give up 3 different times, but no Colin Chris kept telling me, keep on keeping on. Here's what I did, man. Wait, you want to see all my submissions first? I'll go through everything I did wrong. First thing I tried was like N queens, basically. So I tried to backtrack. I tried to, for every row on the grid, I tried to select one cell and then I backtrack. So I select the one cell, I mark it as true, backtrack, mark it as false. Basically, backtracking did not work initially, but backtracking did work in the end. And then I tried some weird DP stuff after, really bad DP. I didn't even know if it was worth a shot, but I made like my DP cache. I don't know. Can y'all see this? Try to zoom in a little bit. So my second attempt, I tried some dang bootleg ass DP. I wouldn't even be sure to call it DP because I don't think it made the time complexity any better. I think it was just like backtracking with making a key. This is just like a half-court shot with my eyes closed, and it also TLE'd. It didn't work. And then I started to think, how can I make this better? And then I ended up backtracking still. So, all right, let me share my solution. Well, man, how does it look so whack? All right, now it looks normal. So what I did for Q3, I backtracked, but I created a map. I put all the numbers in the grid into a map, like which row they appeared at. So I used, man, I used an unordered map. I thought I used hold on. Oh yeah. So I'm trying to remember where all the numbers, which rows they appeared in. Right? So that's what I did. I don't know what this set is. Oh yeah, the set is to sort all the values. And then I did this set thing. Basically I sorted all the unique values in nums right here, and I put them in a set, and then I just put them in this vector, right? So nums is all of the unique values in the grid sorted from the largest number in the front to the smallest number in the back. I don't know if that has any effect on stuff. And then I just backtracked, man. This boolean didn't actually do anything because I never asked. So how did I backtrack? As I kept track of my selected rows, and I started from my largest number and I went to the smallest number. I also don't really know if that has an effect on time complexity, but I did it anyways. And this is the end of the backtrack. So if we've selected all the rows, or if we tried to select them but we ran out of numbers to choose, then I just recorded the score. And then I had to do like this thing where if I never found a number to backtrack in, I just skip the number and go to the next number in here. So this I corresponds with all the unique numbers in the grid. And it's just backtracking from there. You know, I select the number, insert the row, and then I move on to the next largest number in num's I. So that's how I got the AC for Q3, man. Basically, I just took the grid, I did the backtracking. I'm sure most of you did backtracking and got TLE. But basically, the only thing you got to do is backtrack on the unique numbers instead of backtracking on the grid as is. So you got to like do some pre-processing to figure out, you know, you don't want to waste time visiting numbers more than like duplicate numbers, you know. So that's what I did, man. and that worked. I tried N Queens with heaps. Yeah, I tried N Queens too, basically, man. I tried Bitmass DP. That gave me MLE. Yeah. I also spent a long time. What happened? What happened? Mad Flash. What you talking about? I was able to get a last minute AC on Q3, and I don't think it improved my ranking too much. I think I was at like 1700 before the Q3 solve because I got Q2 relatively fast, and then the Q3 pushed me up to the 1K mark. And that's it. I didn't know about Q4. For 2? Wait, what? For 2 what? Wait. It jumped to you 1K? Wait, so I was like 2K? Yeah, 2 solve would have been my ranking. Alright, let me see where 920 on Q2 would have been. I think maybe like page 70. Maybe like page 90. Yeah, so probably like 2K. So I doubled my ranking, man. I would have been like 2100. Yeah, I guess. Alright, use this. Yeah, I have that predictor thing somewhere. But it takes a while, right? It takes a while for them to get the rankings up. Not a fake. Yeah, everybody knows about that site, man. Come on. Anyways, that's it for this week. I'll see y'all on Monday. I'm out of here, man. I'm gonna get Guardian. I hope, man. I've been trying to get Guardian for like the last 3 years, Stephen Code stuff, and I feel I've been like stagnant for ever since I got my job. My ranking hasn't really changed much. So, well, I suppose it has. This is when I got my job. I'd say I was around 2K rating. And then now I came back and I'm approaching 2100. That's a good solve. What? 700 people? Alright, let's go raid Chi-Chi Impact. He's doing the post-contest review. Everybody knows. Wait, he's right here.
Score.
Alright, let's go. And I'm out of here, man. Thank you very much for tuning in. Feels good. Feels real good, man. Oh, dang. Chi-Chi did some DPing? What? Pat's Hello World, why sane? No condom, Chris. Adios, amigos. Robo Dom. See you later, alligator. Bobby Blue. See you next time. See y'all on Monday. Nima Mur. Adios. Zombie Killer Whale. Code in public. Have a good night. Enjoy the Labor Day weekend. Man, I got a lot of exciting things to talk about, but I'm gonna hold my tongue on that for a bit. I'll probably drop the news over the next few weeks, but I'm working on so many things right now, man. I'm like insanely busy every single day. The only thing I think about is all this LeetCode and algorithms, and I just want to do so much with it. Anyways, Mad Flash, Dragon Poop, Meow, Raxo Sabe, adios. Deca, thank you so much for that sub. I'll put your name up on the board as soon as I finish this stream. Lunkaku 12, have a good night. Thank you for tuning in. All right, let's go raid Chi-Chi Impact and pay attention because he's got a lot of good things to say. Adios. See you later, YouTube. My bad, I wasn't reading YouTube.